About the market back to because that's the real big story, right? Big short covering yesterday. FII's bought some nearly 4,600 odd crores. Anuj is here with what he's making of things. Anuj, we were here talking about how the line of sight to a new all-time high is opened up. But you were pointing out that it could be a strong day yesterday itself. It was a slow start, but then picked up. And then really charged on from there.
Oh, absolutely, Prashant. Good morning. Markets rarely charitable. It was yesterday. We spoke about it that it was very intriguing the way the gift Nifty was yesterday, and it should have been up at least 150 points. But I don't think traders complained because they got a good entry in the first 15 minutes, and after that the market didn't look back. My sense is from here on, the bank Nifty, which has been underperforming, it's almost like a spring effect. You keep pressing it and finally it releases and it just surges, and that could happen. Also tells you the broad-based nature of the market's rally. The two big index, Nifty IT and Nifty Bank, not at new high, still Nifty at new high, the mid-caps at new high. So that's looking really strong. And the kind of buying that we have seen from FIIs, normally that goes into large-cap banks. So with Bank Nifty with about 1,200 points away from its all-time high, perhaps that could be the next to watch. Also because the Bank Nifty rally is because of a macro event, that big RBI dividend that we had yesterday. It normally doesn't end in one day. And when FIs buy, normally it's stocks like HDFC Bank, which lead it. And you saw first signs of buying yesterday in HDFC Bank. The only problem from the market point of view now is that we are now slowly pricing in a full majority for the BJP, and let's see if anything is left by the 4th of June, because it looks like the market's almost priced in the best case outcome. Now, looking at the setup yesterday, there was 7,200 crores of buying in index futures and 9,500 crores of buying in stock futures from FIIs. And within that, 1,320 crores in Nifty futures and almost 6,000 crores, 1,300 crores in Nifty Bank and almost 6,000 crores in Nifty. So that means in Nifty Bank, still there's some possibility of short covering. And just to give you those numbers, we started with the long short yesterday. Just look at that. I think on any given single day, this must be the highest short covering that we would have seen. In fact, if you look at the trend, we started with 2.5 lakh short positions on 17th of May, and we are now, the next page please, and we are now at just about 98,000. And my sense is by expiry, this 98,000 short might even become 98,000 longs. It happens like that once, shorts start to cover. The put-call ratio at 1.37 versus 1.20, so that's slightly overbought. In terms of stocks to watch, I'm watching out for a few stocks today. Indigo, stunning numbers, of course. Let's see how it reacts. And two stocks out of ban, Biocon and Idea. And in Idea, there's an upgrade as well. And of course, HDFC Bank. Because let's see if this FI buying is one-off or this is start of something big.
All right, Anuj, thanks very much for that. And that point is, sorry, Anuj, the quote of the day.
Yeah, the quote of the day. The quote of the day. Sorry. I'll just come to that. And this is from Estee Lauder, who, by the way, was the only woman on the Times list of 20 geniuses of 20th century. I never dreamed about success. I work for it. Sorry, Prashant, you were saying something.
No, a lovely quote, Anuj. No, I was just sorry. That point about going from extreme short to extreme on the other side.
Yeah.
It has happened, and we were talking about this in the morning. Absolutely. It's happened twice over last 2 times.
Oh, absolutely.
You bounce off a very short market. You go all the way to the other side, and then you start to wonder, well, where from there? So, and all of this is happening around election results, so it makes it all the more interesting.
And Prashant, one thing I'll tell you, late Abhay Aima used to make this point, I think in 2004 or 5, that we give perhaps too much importance to FIIs. And, every time FIIs have been aggressively short, the market's made a bottom.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Anuj, thanks very much. Good to get that perspective.